Enhance your garden and indoor plants with 2 natural elements that stand out for their remarkable plant-supporting properties. First, sphagnum moss. It's more than just a decorative element. It plays a crucial role in plant health. This versatile dried moss keeps soil warm and moist, preventing it from drying out too quickly. Unlike peat moss, which is compacted with other materials over time, sphagnum moss adds natural acidity to the soil and improves aeration, adding a lush touch to terrariums, orchids, and kokedama. Sphagnum moss inspires growth and creativity in your plants. Then there's perlite, a lightweight volcanic rock that enhances soil structure by improving aeration and drainage. It ensures your soil retains the right amount of water while allowing excess to drain away, making it ideal for succulents and aloes. pH neutral, perlite supports vigorous root growth and overall plant vitality. From container gardening to garden beds, let Sanscape, sphagnum moss and perlite be the keys to adding a touch of natural elegance and health to your green spaces.